Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I have here three CRM platforms that we are going to compare, and we're going to find out which one of them is the best one to use. So, we have HubSpot, ClickUp, and we have Zoho right here. Now, for the first one, we have here HubSpot. HubSpot actually takes the best spot out of the three CRM platforms, mainly because HubSpot it excels in marketing and sales automation, which is what you need for customer platforms. At the same time, it has a free version that is suited for smaller businesses. So, for example, if you're just starting out, then their free version will really help you in enlarging your business, and at the same time it'll help you in terms of your marketing and sales. So yeah, if you're a small business or if you're a startup business and you want to start somewhere, then HubSpot is the one for you. Plus, it's already integrated with some powerful AI tools. As you can see here, they are partnered with multiple companies already like eBay, DoorDash, Reddit, Eventbrite, DoorDash, Morehouse. So your whole front office, one customer platform. Here they have an example of their marketing software. You can see the lead generations here, very important for sales. You also have your sales hub right here. So they can provide you as well with a business email, which is very important. Service Hub, Content Hub, Operations Hub, Commerce Hub, and Breeze. So those are some of the features that you'll be getting for HubSpot. So the paid version actually offers a more comprehensive feature for managing sales and marketing. But definitely, if your focus is more on boosting your marketing and your sales, then HubSpot may be the best CRM for you to use. Now moving on to ClickUp. Now, ClickUp isn't really much dedicated for CRM, mainly because ClickUp is also something used for project management. So if you have a team or if you have a large team, then definitely you can use ClickUp in order for you to create plans, launch campaigns right here. As an example here, you can launch campaigns, you can execute an idea, you can organize, you can plan. And on the other hand, it can be used as a CRM for teams who preferred a unified platform. So, for example, um, it its main function in terms of CRM is mainly for team or project management. So its customizable views and dashboards will allow you for efficient task and data management. So that's basically it for ClickUp. Now, the number one contender for HubSpot is Zoho. So Zoho is their CRM is actually quite praised, mainly because it has a lot of features. So as you can see here, their CRM offers tons of features, and they are also partnered up with known companies like Bose, CoStar, IIFL, and the like. So, as you can see here, you can easily engage with your customers, stay informed in terms of revenue and forecastings, and of course, there is also AI platforms there that can assist you, and it's partnered up with ChatGPT, so that's a big advantage already in terms of AI. So Zoho offers a whole array of features that can be tailored to your specific business needs. And at the same time, Zoho is more customizable compared to HubSpot. But definitely, this is because of its AI capabilities. But both Zoho and HubSpot has useful AI features for you. But HubSpot definitely takes the best CRM solution, mainly because of its capabilities in terms of email marketing and e-commerce needs. And yeah, as I've mentioned before, the free version of HubSpot rather is very helpful for small businesses. And yeah, its main expertise is on marketing and on sales, which are important in growing your business. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.